what are you telling business to do to really go out and attract the difference makers? I mean, how do they really focus on getting that, A player?
So, do I'm based in Colorado, and this is where the Navy SEALs train, right?
Mm-hmm.
And they have something called Hell Week.
Yep.
And that sounds pretty awful to me. It's enough to make me run the other way. But actually, a lot of people travel across the country, not despite of Hell Week, but because of it. And the challenge and the sense of pride of going through the other side of Hell Week to become a Navy SEAL.
Mm-hmm.
To get elite caliber talent, you have to elevate the opportunity with scarcity and justify the position with what it takes to thrive and what the sense of achievement actually requires. And that means leaning into the harsh realities or the challenges that you might face and appeal to people's sense of impact. And they assess, hey, I can do that. And if I can do that, that means that I'm one of the elite. So you can do that in varying degrees, but it means not leading with, this is a great place to work. It's all sunshines and rainbows and there's free lunches and so on and so forth. People want more than that.